Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken curry with coconut milk. This is a whole chicken. I've taken the skin off and cut it into pieces. I've left the legs whole, thighs I've cut into 2 pieces, and the breasts into 3 pieces. For this recipe, you don't have to cut up the chicken into very small pieces. Finely chopped garlic, ginger, and green chili slit in half. Diced yellow onion, coconut milk. You can use canned or fresh. I'm going to grind some whole spices, cloves, cinnamon stick broken up, black peppercorns, coriander seeds, and cardamom pods. Just remove the shell and use the seeds. Heat up a pan to make the curry. Add some oil. When the oil is hot, add the onions. Saute until soft. When the onions are soft, add the ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Saute until golden. Everything's golden brown. Now turn the heat to low and add the ground spices and ground turmeric. Saute on low heat for about a minute until the rawness of the spices go away. You'll smell the difference when it's ready. Now turn the heat back up to medium and add the chicken. And salt. Give it a mix and cook for 5 minutes. Stir it occasionally. You can see that the chicken pieces have turned white. Now I'll add some white vinegar and the coconut milk. Give this a stir, cover, and cook for about 30 minutes until the chicken is tender. It's been 30 minutes. Taste and add more salt if you need to. Chicken's cooked. The chicken's soft. It's so tasty from the coconut milk and all the spices. You can turn the heat off. If you have curry leaves, you can add them. If you don't, it's okay. You can leave it out. Cover it and set it aside. Because of the coconut milk, the spices are not overpowering. The gravy is spicy because I added a lot of green chilies and the peppercorns. You can definitely reduce the amount of green chilies if you don't want it that spicy. You do need some heat though to balance out the sweetness of the coconut milk. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you want to get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.